Today I want to introduce you to one of the most coveted communities, not just in Gilroy, but the entire South Bay, and that is the Eagle Ridge Residential Golf Community. This community is the epitome of luxury living with all the amenities you could ever dream of. Nestled in the beautiful rolling hills of South County, this community has everything you could want in a neighborhood. Eagle Ridge is a 24-hour guard-gated community that provides a safe and secure environment for its residents. The community is spread over 1,500 acres of land and offers stunning views of the surrounding hills and valleys. The community is conveniently located close to the major highways, shopping centers, and recreational areas such as the Gilroy Gardens. Living in Eagle Ridge is like living in a resort. The community features a beautiful golf course, a clubhouse, community pool, tennis courts, walking trails, and much more. It's a perfect place to raise a family, retire, or simply enjoy a peaceful and luxurious lifestyle. Having lived here myself, I can say that the best part of living here was just taking long walks and being fully immersed in the natural beauty of this place. I always looked forward to coming home after a long day's work. Once you pass through the gated entrance, you feel a certain peace and calmness, as if this is exactly where you want to be to wind down. Give you a little background on this community. Some of the very first homes were built in 1999. This community was such a hit from the very beginning that the people were lined up outside with deposits in hands to reserve these homes. The builder at the time enacted a lottery system to keep things fair. Now with close to 1,000 homes, Eagle Ridge is a well-established community with very few vacant lots remaining. The community's 18-hole golf course, designed by Johnny Miller, a former PGA champion, is the main attraction for golf enthusiasts. Golfers will appreciate the challenging yet enjoyable course with its rolling hills, strategically placed bunkers, and water hazards. The course is surrounded by natural beauty and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding hills and valleys. If you're new to golfing, this place has got you covered with professional golf lessons, and the adjacent driving range is an ideal spot to practice your golf swing or work on your putting skills. The clubhouse is another highlight of the community with its classic design and modern amenities. It features a restaurant, bar, and meeting rooms, making it the perfect venue for hosting events or simply enjoying a meal with friends and family. The clubhouse also serves as a wedding venue. Here you'll catch a glimpse of couples getting married and hosting reception parties. And not to mention, the clubhouse also offers stunning views of the golf course and surrounding hills. Moving on from the golf course, this community offers various other amenities for its residents, including a kids' playground, park, and a bocce ball court. The kids' playground is a great place for children to have fun time and make new friends. The park is a peaceful area surrounded by trees and greenery, perfect for a picnic or a leisurely walk. And if you're looking for a chill spot to beat the heat, you should definitely check out the community pool. It's surrounded by trees, which gives it that tropical vacation vibe. And if you're into tennis, you're gonna love this community. They've got 2 tennis courts that are lit up at night, so you can play even after dark. And that's not all. The community also has basketball court and offers a multi-purpose sports field. I don't know about you, but that sounds like a lot of fun to me. The community's walking trails are perfect for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. These trails take you through the surrounding hills and valleys, giving you the stunning views of the community and its surroundings. The trails are also great for bird watching and wildlife viewing. Speaking of wildlife, it is common to spot deer, rabbit, and turkeys almost daily. With all these cool things to do, Eagle Ridge is definitely the place to be if you want to live an active and enjoyable lifestyle. The homes in Eagle Ridge are truly unique with expansive floor plans, high-end finishes, and breathtaking views. Each home is designed to maximize the community's natural beauty and to provide residents with the ultimate experience of luxury living. From cozy bungalows to spacious estates, there is a home for every taste and budget. As you walk through the streets, you will encounter a new architectural masterpiece at every corner. Some of these sprawling estates boast the timeless charm of Spanish Mediterranean architecture, complete with intricate details and beautiful accents. The homes also feature spacious bedrooms, luxurious bathrooms, and plenty of storage space. Starting home prices in Eagle Ridge begin at $1.2 million, while high-end homes can fetch up to $2 million or more, but the median price of a home in Eagle Ridge is around $1.5 million. At this price, honestly, the value proposition is undeniable. With all of the amenities, luxurious features, and stunning views, it is truly a worthwhile investment. The homes in the community are highly sought after and often sell for above asking price. Of course, no paradise is perfect. Eagle Ridge has a few minor drawbacks. Parking regulations, for example, can be a bit strict with limitations on street parking. Additionally, the courtyard homes, while charming, come with smaller backyards and shared entrances. But these minor inconveniences pale compared to the endless joys of living in Eagle Ridge. This is a place where every day feels like a vacation. If you seek a life of elegance, activity, and breathtaking scenery, look no further than Eagle Ridge. It's not just a community, it's a way of life here. But before you go, I recommend you check out the 2 other videos on new developments happening in Gilroy. D.R. Horton is offering homes with a starting price of under $1 million, which include 3 different floor plans. And Tri Point Homes, located just on the other side of Eagle Ridge, their community offers 4 floor plans, with the largest one being 3,500 square feet. Also, I would appreciate it if you could like, subscribe, or comment, or do all 3 to make my day. Thank you.